If you have just arrived in Canada and you're feeling so overwhelmed, let me tell you something. You're not failing. You are only missing a guide. Arriving in a new country is exciting, but the reality hits very, very fast. Suddenly you're asking questions. Where do I register first? Maybe for school or for daycare. How do I get my health card? How do I get a personal physician? How do school works? Or how do I get my driver's license? What benefits am I eligible for as a PR or aspiring citizen? How do I move around the city? What kind of jobs can I apply for? How can I customize my resume? Where do I live? And this is where most immigrants feel stuck. The Immigrant Settlement Blueprint becomes your companion when you arrive here in Canada. It shows you what to do in order, not giving you all at once, so that you are not unnecessarily rushing, you are not confused, but you have clarity from the beginning. You don't need to figure out everything in 1 week. You don't need to. You just need the right sequence. What do I do week 1 when I arrive in Canada? What do I do week 2? Your appraisal of week 1. What have I checked? What have I done? And that sequence continues with more information to assist you in your settlement journey. So this guide helps you to settle down with intention and eliminate as much stress as possible. So if you have just arrived or you will be arriving soon, check the description below so you can access the guide. Good luck, everyone.